little friends. Today, Max the puppy is going on a new adventure. It's a beautiful morning, and Max is exploring a magical valley filled with surprises. Today, Max is learning about hot and cold. Are you ready? Let's go. Max walks down a sunny path. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Max feels the warm sunshine on his fur. That feels hot. The sunshine is hot. Can you pretend to feel the warm sunshine? Hot sunshine. As Max continues walking, he finds a campfire. The fire glows orange and yellow. Crackle, crackle. Max stays a safe distance away. The fire feels hot. Hot fire. Soon, Max becomes thirsty. He finds a glass of ice water on a picnic table. Brrr, the water is very cold. Max takes a little sip. That feels refreshing. Cold water. Max continues his adventure and reaches a snowy hill. Wow, everything is covered in white snow. Max carefully steps into the snow. Brrr, the snow feels cold. Cold snow. Then Max discovers a cup of hot chocolate. Steam rises into the air.